Hey, what's up, guys? Just got some plans coming in about a month or so. I'm ripping this down. So, and I got some new driftwood, African rootwood. But before I talk about that, I just want to show you the trident. It's really taken over. I got these plastic things that the potted plants comes in. I think the Rick was using these for Java fern. I don't know if you can see them in there. But I stuck a couple in there, and I got a Java fern attached to that. I still got this algae problem. It's freaking horrible. I'm sick of it. Oh, another thing. Baby shrimp. I counted 20 of them. Quite surprised. Here's a 10-gallon. Picked up this pygmy sword chain sword. Trying to let it fill in. Sorry for the glare. And my new driftwood. This is one of the scapes I'm thinking about doing. It's about, my tank has enough room for about 28 inches inside of it, which would be about right here to about right here. So perfect. So I stacked the substrate up in the back here, so it will be level